Hi guys, in this video we are going to replace the charging port for this. We're going to replace this charging port for this Asus memo pad, right? And this version is the k001 version. So actually we are going to replace the charging port. I had already disassembled the tablet. I wasn't really thinking about doing a video, but I'm actually going to do one. So once you manage to take the back off, remove all the screws, you can actually remove the board. So what I'm going to do in this video, I am going to replace the charging port. And as you can see, the charging port is actually quite long than the normal ports. So definitely this one is a long port. And we're going to replace this. So all we have to do to get this replaced, we need to align the pins, but in so doing we need to align the ground pins with these four areas here. Once you align them correctly, the port is in perfect position. Should be right here, right? And we need to align the port in that position, right? Because when we solder this is going to stick and it's going to be formed, right? So we need to make sure that the back pins are aligned as well, right? So from where I am seeing here, the pins are aligned. You can see 5 pins there. You have to make sure those are aligned as well. I'm going to use this to keep port in perfect position. We're going to make sure that the pins at the back are done properly and that we are getting the 5 volts. You can actually see the 5 pins. And we know that the pins are soldered, right? So we are going to just make a quick test. Let me plug the charger in and as you can see, we are getting 5 point something volts there. And let's check the battery connection area. You can see we are getting charge going to the battery as well, right? So basically our work is done here with the port, and all that I have to do now is to reconnect back the board here. So this is what I am going to do here. Let me make sure everything is done. We're going to connect the different connections. We have the one for the buttons in. We also have the digitizer. So this one is in. And we have the one for the screen, right? We have to put this one in as well. This one is in as well. And we're gonna shut the lid. Right, so everything is connected so far. We're gonna connect the battery. Then we are going to do a test, right? So this is the most important part. We just have to put back in the screws. Which is right here. As you can see, the different position right here. Then put back on the back cover. So we have the screws there. So it's that easy. We're gonna connect the charger. So just want to bear in mind that this tablet was down for some time and it may take some time to light up. So let us wait and see. They should have a good battery. So it may take a 2 minutes or so before we see the screen lights up. Definitely this tablet was down for some months. So it may take a minute or two before we actually see, but it depends on the model and the brand. So we are just gonna test to see if we are getting anything. You can see over there on the multimeter we are getting 5 volts there. So definitely our port is working, and it's just a matter of time that we see something lights up.
5 hours later.
So I am running out of some patience here now. So I am going to press the power button, right? I believe this one is the power button right here. So let's go ahead. There you can see the charging icon. The battery is depleted. So this is why it didn't show up icon there, as you can see. So as I said, this is depleted and it is charging. So we are going to leave this for a few minutes and then we are going to conclude the video. So guys, I am going to conclude this video. The tablet is charging and it is actually taking its time charging, right? So the motherboard is warm, so we know that it's charging and the battery is depleted. As you can see, the battery is low. So we are going to put back in the screws.